Wow, it feels like I haven't made a video in a long time. Um, I need to get back on this grind of posting all these recaps every single day again, cause that shit kind of made me like fucking locked in. But anyways, guys, yes, I have been trading, but I just haven't been recording the videos. I've gotten a little bit lazy to record them. Um, which I actually do need to do because I need to fucking do something because it's so bored, going full time and when you got people that don't do the same thing as you, it's hard to find something to do for fun. So I mean, I've been going to the gym, doing sports, like play basketball, play soccer, uh, picking up how to learn how to play pickleball, went golfing, um, swimming. I mean, just whatever I can do just so I can keep myself busy, right? Um, hold up. Okay, so I have been taking trades. I just haven't been posting them. Honestly, just because most of them are all fucking break evens. Like I should be go over them, but they're all just break evens, bro. And I was break even all week, last week. Holy fuck, bro! Like last week was just horrible. I would get the trade in, everything that I wanted to see through in the first part of the session, either New York session or Asia session. One, I would get a late entry, get break even. Two, I would not even get an entry at all. Three, everything would happen, and again, no entry or get in the trade, get stop break even, then deliver. So I mean, all of these trades were all delivering, but I was getting break even. Am I a little upset? Yes, because that's profit. That's for me. But I mean, what else can I do, bro? Like it's trading. Like not everything's gonna go my way, so I just gotta be consistent with it. Friday, I did lose money. I was down $500 with two trades. They were good setups. They weren't bad. Um, Lost one in Asia session, and then I lost like 250 during 260 during AM. So I was around like 400, and then I was taking a stab at longs. Uh, Came into OTE, then 7 point stop loss, 50 point or like 30 point TP. Unfortunately, I did get stop break even. It did hit my little high. I put my break even at. It did hit it. Um, so I went break even, and I also kind of use Bookmap as well to determine where price wants to go, where orders are getting filled at, where orders resting orders at. Um, I did see that we had some orders right near my break even, but I gotta follow my own rules. So I wasn't just gonna move my stop loss back to 7 points, which intentionally I could have done it because it's only 7 points. I'm only risking like 50, less than $100, right? So I really could have just took the risk for it, but I'm following my rules. Today we banged out, happy about it, easy, really really simple. I just yapped for a fucking 2 minutes straight. I want to get into this trade real quick. Easy. It was a simple 15-minute trade. I was literally in and out, bro. So let's hop into this. Easy. It was stupid easy. All right. So what do we do whenever we look at higher time frame wise, right? You want to see what we got. We got something to like to start with the monthly. All right. See how the monthly is gonna close up. See how the daily is gonna close too as well. Um, we saw about the previous day high, so I was alright, cool. It looks like we're about to inverse this 4 hour, and another thing, we have NWOG. We have a new week opening gap that has been unfilled. Yes, ES did fill it, but that means both assets have to fill the NWOG, not just one. Normal NQ. Bro, whenever we had an NWOG like 3 months ago, bro, that shit would just never wanted to get fucking filled, bro. That shit never wanted to get Diddy. Anyways, there's no hourly gap. Alright, so we're going to use this as a condition of for this, right? All I want to see throughout this session, all I want is the draw for NWOG to get tapped into. That's it. That's all I want to see. All I want to see is this 30-minute support price lower so we can deliver to NWOG, and that's it. To fill the NWOG, and that's it. Really, really easy, simple. I want to see internal to external. That's it. That's all I want to see. So, 15-minute, yes, there is a 15-minute gap that we're about to inverse, but we're also still looking like we're holding price through here. Now, I am over here looking at, alright, cool. Where can I anchor OTE from? So I'm like, alright, cool. From this high to this swing high, I wanted OTE to play out here. So I was like, I want to use this 30-minute gap for as an imbalance of price to rebalance the range. So this, so there's two scenarios, right? We pump, tap into OTE, and then deliver to NWOG, or dump to NWOG, and then pump to this 30 minute. That's it. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. So, what do we get? Alright. So that's literally all I'm looking for. All I'm looking at is manipulation to either both high or low, and then seek for which imbalance that we're gonna go for. If we want to come up here into this 30-minute, respect off of OTE, then I'm gonna look to take a short to NWOG. If we come into NWOG and we see immediate reactions to the upside, and that we want to fill in this internal range, so I'm gonna take a long. Really simple day, really easy day, really easy to determine bias. It was so clear. So let's get into it. How do I fucking forward this bitch? Okay. So, come in. Oh, this was stressful. I'm not gonna lie. This was very stressful. We did have a 15-second inversion, no 30-second, but there was no 1 minute inversion. I was gonna take this straight up, but then I saw that there was a 2 minute, and I'm like, all right, cool. I'm gonna wait for the 2 minute to close, and we inversed this 1 minute, and I was like, all right, cool. I'm just gonna have a sell limit here, have my stops at this high, and then target NWOG, and go break even here. So by this point, I'm already in. As you can kind of see, the 2 minute did not inverse. I was kind of pre-inversing the 2 minute, but I'm also playing really discretionary. The displacement candle like that, very, very strong. Again, we came out of the golden zone, mini reactions. We're fucking dumping. We're dumping hella hard. All I want to see is price literally follow through. Literally fucking follow through, bro. Bang. At this point, I'm in drawdown. I was like, all right, cool. That was a nice reaction. Next candle opens, and then we flip. I'm like, fuck, bro. It's not like I'm fucked, but I'm like, damn, bro, this candle's gonna engulf the other candle, and this is gonna stop me out, and then deliver, right? Because we did have the stop hunt here, but we can also remanipulate back in here, hit OTE to see if the 30 minute, and then want to distribute to the NWOG. It could happen, right? But I was really confident where my stops was at and everything, just because we had an internal sweep. We're still respecting this 30 minute. We're just fucking choppy, bro. AM is just always choppy, right? We're not really delivering. I was like, alright, cool. At this point, I was like, alright, I might get stopped out, but I'm still going to take a position. If I get stopped out, I am still going to take a position to the NWOG, because that's such a strong draw in liquidity. So, it was like, either way, I'm still not break even. My break even was down here, so I was like, you know what? I am just going to move my break even to this new low. So this is the new break even. Just waiting for this low to get tapped into. Really strong closure. Now I can go break even, move my stops to break even. Now it's a risk-free trade. This did not hit on NQ, but it did deliver on M and NQ. So this reverses. I know a lot of people were in these shorts, right? But eventually, you know, we filled NWOG, right? And that's it. That was pretty much it. Really simple day. And this is MNQ. Really simple day. You could have taken off this 2 minute. You would have been fine. Where is it? The 15-second right here. 15-second IBG. I was thinking about taking this 15-second, but I don't trade 15 seconds. Only 30-second and 1 minute, and so that's it. And yeah, so up on the day, around like 450, 500. Not really too bad on the day. I'm happy about it. Easy 15-minute day. I can't ask for more. Went to go do my own thing. Went to the gym. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Great delivery. I think it was a good trade. A little choppy, but overall, it was a good Monday. Let's put it that. Like, it was a Monday that was, every Monday has been ass, bro. This is probably one of the best Mondays I've seen in a minute. So, yeah. I'll catch y'all later, chat. Love y'all. To anyone that watches these videos, sorry. I will catch y'all in the next trade recap. I'm gonna stay locked in to post more of these videos every single day. So I'll catch y'all in the next one.